Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain the concept of LCM and how to find the LCM of given number. LCM stands for least common multiple. Okay, and the definition of LCM is the least non-zero number in common multiples of two or more number. For example, multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. And multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and so on. So now the common multiples of 6 and 8 are 6 comma 8 are what is 24, okay, and after we get 48 and so on. So according to the definition of LCM, LCM is the least non-zero number in common multiples of two or more numbers. So the least common multiple of is least common multiple of 6 comma 8 is 24. So that's why the 24 is the LCM of 6 and 8. I hope you understand this. So there are two methods out there to find the LCM of given numbers. So first one is factorization method and second one is the division method. Now we'll see factorization method. So let's find the LCM of 12, 27, 40. Okay. So now find the factors of 12. Factors of 12 is equal to 2 into 6 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 2 square into 3. Okay, these are the factors of 12. Now the factors of 27. So 3 into 9, 3 into 3 into 3, and that is 3 to the power of 3. Okay, now the factors of 40. So 2 into 20, 2 into 2 into 10. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 equal to 2 cube into 5. So now the fact all the factors of all the numbers are 2, 3 and 5. Okay. So the factors of 12, 27, 40 contains 2, 3 and 5. Here 2, 3, 3. So 2 and 5. So the different factors of 12, 27 and 40 are altogether are 2, 3, 5. Okay. Then the LCM is we have to take the highest powers of all these numbers from these factors. Okay. So what is the highest power of 2? That is 2 square is there and 2 cube is there. So highest power of 2 is 2 cube. into, and the highest power of 3 is what? 3 to the power of 1 is there, 3 cube is there. So I'm taking 3 cube, it is the highest power. And what is the highest power of 5? Only one 5 is there, then 5 to the power of 1 is equal to, so 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 2 cube is 27 into 5. Okay, so the multiplication is going to be 1080. So the LCM of 12, 27 and 40 is 1080. So this one is the factor using the factorization method. So in factorization, what we do, we find the factors of all the given numbers, and from where we list all the distinguished factors, okay, distinguished factors of the given numbers, and then we take the highest powers of those numbers, okay, and then we multiply them. So whatever result we are getting, that is the LCM of the given numbers. So now let's see the division method. Let's find the LCM of 12, 27 and 40. Okay, so simply put 12, 27 and 40 there. So we we have to divide these numbers by using a factor. So that factor I'm taking as a 2 number. Okay, so when we divide 12 by 2, we get a result 6. So 27 is not divided by 2. So we take 27 as it is. Because it is divisible, but 2 is not a factor. That's why I'm taking 27 as it is. And 2 into, when we divide 40 by 2, we will get 20. Okay, that is. And next again 6 and 20. These are also divided by 2. That's why again I'm taking 2. So 2, here we get 3. When we divide 6 by 2, we get 3. And I'm taking 27 as it is. And then when we divide 20 using 2, we get value 10. So now 327 is there. These two are divisible by 3. Now I'm taking 3. So 3, when we divide 3 with 3, we get 1. And here we get 9. And we take 10 as it is. Now we have to multiply these numbers. 2, 2, 3, 1, 9 and 10. Okay, so that is the LCM of the 12, 27 and 40. So the LCM of 12, 24, 27 and 40 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 9 into 10. Okay, so again that is going to be 1080. So the LCM of 12, 27 and 40 using division method is also 1080. So first I explain that LCM. LCM is the least non-zero number of common multiples of two or more numbers. So there are two methods are there. One is factorization method and another one is the division method. And with both the method we have seen in this video. So thank you for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel.